Hello again. It's been a pretty wet October so far, and we've got more wet weather to come over the next few days. Not everywhere seeing the rain though. In fact, under clear skies across northern parts of the country, we've got some pretty chilly weather to come through tonight with some mist and fog. But elsewhere it will be mild, and we've got the rain in the south pushing its way northwards as we go through the night, so there will be some heavy rain around as we get into Sunday. And that rain already turning heavier in the next few hours across central southern England, pushing its way into Wales, the Midlands and eventually northern counties of England overnight. A lot of cloud in the sky. The wind's quite light, but that would be the recipe for some fairly low clouds, so some hill fog, quite gloomy out there if you're out through this evening and overnight. But it's mild, temperatures of 10, 11, 12 degrees in places. Much colder though across Northern Ireland and Scotland, where in rural spots we'll get down to 2 or 3 degrees with some fairly dense fog patches by the time we get to the first part of Sunday. And they'll take a little while to clear as we go through Sunday morning, but they should clear away as we see some sunshine breaking through. But elsewhere, a lot of cloud in the sky, lots of outbreaks of rain, the rain heavy at times, only slowly and erratically pushing its way eastwards. So I think for eastern counties of England, especially northeast England, eastern Scotland, it's going to rain all day and therefore feeling quite cold under that rain and that fairly dense cloud. The cloud behind will take a while to clear through. Some brightness perhaps for parts of southwest England, some showers here too, and those two pushing into Wales, 1 or 2 for Northern Ireland and indeed for western Scotland, but that's where we'll probably see some of the best of the drier and the brightest weather through the day. Temperatures a little higher in the south than what they were on Saturday, but as I say, feeling pretty cool under that rain in the northeast. And then as we go through Sunday evening, we'll continue to see that wet weather across the northeast, taking its time before it clears away. So if you're out through Sunday evening, still getting wet in these parts. But otherwise, it will turn drier, just a few showers out towards the west. Under clear skies with light winds, we could see some fairly dense patches of fog forming by the time we get to Monday morning. And for many rural spots, getting down into the low single figures in some places, still milder into the southwest though, and that's because we've got more cloud pushing in here, a sign of things to come as we go through Monday. Now this is the jet stream for Sunday. You can see this pink ribbon indicating where it's at its strongest, and it's right over the UK, driving in areas of low pressure. So let's take a look at how it goes through the week ahead. We've got further lows coming in through Monday. Bit of a break in the jet, ridge of high pressure coming in for Tuesday, so a drier day to come here, but already the next weather system comes in from the west on Wednesday. This weather front will bring some further wet weather, and then a low pressure up to the northwest remains the dominant feature as we go through the end of the week. So we'll see further windy and at times wet weather. So this is how it's looking through the week ahead. As I say, we've got more rain to come through much of this week. A dry day on Tuesday though, that's when we'll see some of the best of the sunshine, best of the dry weather, allowing things to just turn that little bit quieter. And thereafter we'll see further longer spells of rain and some showers at times too, quite blustery winds as we go through the second half of the coming week. And of course, October is traditionally our wettest month of the 12 months across the UK, but for more information on the weather where you live, you can follow us on social media, and there's always more learning pages on our website. I'll see you later.